So, my name is Callista, and today we're going to be making a whoopee cushion. So here's what you need. You need a sponge. You can use 2 sponges if you want, but you can use 1, 2. But I just dropped mine. Now I'm using 2. So also you need a bag, balloon, apparently duct tape. We have some right there. And then we'll need scissors. So first of all, we're gonna put the sponges in the bag. So let's do that. Oh, go in. Come on. So here we go. The next, we're gonna be cutting the bag.
Carefully, right?
Mommy, are we gonna just go like,
Yeah, cut all the way across.
but not in the middle of there?
You can. All the way across is fine.
Okay. Oh, these work perfect. There. And then we're going to cut a little triangle right here.
On both sides of the bag, right?
Yes, I guess so. Me too.
You need a little bit of help?
Mm-hmm. You can use some help too if you want. Hey, that's long.
That's okay.
So what are we gonna do now?
Remember the next step?
Cut
We gotta
the
fold.
balloon.
No, we gotta fold this over.
You gotta fold it over after.
Match up your triangles.
This is hard. Like that?
Yeah.
Just gonna go up.
And then you gotta tape it. Well, that's what your tape is for, right?
So then next you're gonna tape it.
But not over your hole, right?
Yeah. Not
Okay.
the hole. Yeah.
Let's make sure it overlaps. Okay, now you do the balloon part. Just fold that in.
Okay.
Make sure your
What
hole
are you
is
gonna
open.
do? Can't wait. Oh yeah. Now this. I'm just gonna do it like that.
Tell them what you're doing.
So next we're gonna cut the balloon. Now this is just easy. And then what next?
We're going to need to make little slits inside here.
So we're making splits at the side. That's weird.
You remember why? So we have to open up our balloon, right?
So we can open up our balloon. Ding.
Please don't.
What? It's funny, Mom.
So you can open your balloon like this.
Yeah. And then we're going to be putting it on the bag. I'm gonna tape it.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're going to be taping it with the tape here.
We pre-cut a few pieces so it'd be easier, right?
Yeah.
So tape it again on the side, right here. Perfect. And then we're going to tape the other side. You want to make sure that your balloon stays out, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you can get a mommy or daddy to help you.
Yeah.
Now what do we do?
What?
Do you remember?
Yeah.
No. We
You
gotta tape
tape
it
the
off.
whole thing. We gotta tape the whole thing. Okay, guys? You gotta tape it off.
And we want to cover everything, right?
Yes. And do not tape your face. We're not taping our face.
No. Duct tape is hard to get off, and it would hurt if it got stuck to your skin.
Yep. Because we're doing what kind of tape?
Duct tape.
We're using duct tape. Is that all?
Almost. Double check your steps. What did it say? I think that's almost it, yeah. And we'll have to check if it works. But you got to make sure that you cover all the bag, right? Nothing can be sticking out.
Yes. Cover the whole bag and nothing sticking out. Not that piece right there could not be sticking out.
So now we just need to do the brushes.
Hurry.
And the bottom is the last.
Yeah, the bottom.
And overlapping tape is fine, right?
Yeah.
Better, because it's going to keep all the air in.
Yeah. I'm gonna fold it. And that's all. Today.
Well, we got to make sure it works.
Just kidding.
All right. Now, does it work?
Yes.
Oh. Try again.
It worked
It works.
for the first time.
Yeah.
It does work. I'm just holding it from this part because it's funny.
You're going to challenge them.
And I challenge you to make your own whoopee cushion. Bye.